What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're going to be drawing the Batmobile, so grab some paper and something to draw with. Let's get started. Now before we get started, let's make sure our paper is set up in landscape view so it goes longer from left to right. So we start all the way over on the left side of our page with the front tire. So let's start it here and draw a circle. Starting from the very top, we'll work our way around towards the bottom and then back up towards the top. Now I'm going to draw a smaller circle on the inside for the hubcap. So we're going to step down, just try to leave an even space gap all the way around. Now let's draw in the tire well. From the bottom of the tire, we're going to move up and over toward the left, step over, and we're just going to leave an even space gap all the way around the tire, towards the right, and then down towards the same height. From the bottom of the tire well, we're going to step up, draw a straight line going across, continue over on the right side. We're going to fill the inside of the tire well in black. From the right side, we're going to draw a straight line going across to right about there. And then we're going to go up with a short line. Now from here, we'll draw an angled line going all the way up toward the top of the intake. Let's go all the way up to right about there. Now from here, we're going to draw in an oval. Now the bottom of the oval is going to line up with this bottom line. So let's start up here, work our way around towards the bottom, and then back up toward the top. Now from this bottom corner, we're going to step up and draw a straight line going all the way across in behind the intake. Let's go back up to the top of the intake. We're going to curve out, round this out, and then pull that in towards the bottom. Start by going out, rounding out the side, and then pulling that in towards the bottom of the oval. Now from the bottom, we're going to draw a straight line going all the way back towards the rear tire. Now we're going to add another tire wall, but we're going to go a little bit larger. Starting from here, go all the way around towards the top, come around, and then down towards the bottom. Now we're going to draw a circle on the inside. Starting from the top, we'll step down. We're going to work our way around, leave an even space gap all the way around. Come down towards the bottom of the tire, up on the right side, and then back up towards the top. Then we're going to draw a smaller circle on the inside. Now we're going to do the same thing we did in the front and draw two straight lines going in behind the tire. We'll fill that inside area in black. Now we're going to move back and draw in the vent. Starting from the inside of this curve, go up and then over towards the left. Then from here we're going to go straight across towards the back. We're going to round out the corner and come down. Come all the way down, leaving a gap along the bottom. And I'm just going to bend this across towards the left. Let's add in some vents. Starting with the center, and draw two straight lines going across, one above the other. We're going to leave a small gap and draw two more lines. Step up again and draw that one more time along the top. Let's do the same thing along the bottom. We're going to leave a gap, draw two lines, step down again and draw that one more time. Now we want to fill the areas in between in black. Skip one. From this point, we're going to curve over the tire and then come down an angle towards the back bumper. Start up here, we're going to curve up, come over the tire. Now we're just going to curve down and come down an angle to right about there. From here, I just want to round this out, come down and in. Now we're just going to pull that in towards the inside of the tire well with a straight line. From the top right of the vent, we're going to draw another curve going up in between this line and the tire well. Go up, and we're going to stop right about there. Now we want to move all the way over towards the left and draw in the front of the car. We start from the bottom, we're going to curve out towards the left and then bend that up. From here, we're going to angle up and in, and we want to trace that back in towards the tire. Now from the top point, we curve out and then up. From the front, we're going to work our way above the tire in the front. So right here we go up, curve over the tire, and then across. Now we just want to flatten this out. We're going to blend into a flat line going across towards the right. Now this line is going to blend up towards the back fins. So start here, start to bend this up over the tire, go up, out towards the right, and then down. From the tip of the fin, we're going to taper this back in on top of this curve. Going in, and then down to right about there. We want to round this out, go back out towards the right. Now I'm just going to blend this down towards the back of the car, going out and then down. Now we're going to add the bones of the fin across the back. Starting up here, curve up and then down. Now we're going to taper this back in so it gets wider as you come back in towards the car. We're going to leave a small gap and draw a shorter one going out and then down, and then we'll pull that back in. Let's add one more. Leaving a small gap, curve out and then down, and then taper that back in. Now we're going to connect these points for the outside of the fin. Starting from the top, curve in and then out. We'll connect these 2 points with another curve. Continue along the bottom. Now right here, we're just going to pull this in towards the back of the car. Let's add in the tail light. From the bottom of the fin, we draw a straight line going out. I'm just going to round out the tail light and then pull that back in. Let's add another light along the bottom. Draw 2 short lines going out and then connect them with a straight line. Now let's draw on the top of the car. Just above the front tire, we step up, draw an angle line going up and over towards the right. From here we're going to go straight back with a straight line to right about there. From here we're going to angle up and out towards the top of the car. We're going to round this out and go up in an angle towards the back of the car. Then we're just going to curl this around, going back up. Let's round this out and go back over towards the right. Now we want to curve this back in behind the fin towards the right. Out and then down. Let's add in the windshield. From this top point, we're going to go straight across towards the back. Now we're going to round this out, curving out and then down. Now let's go to the front. We're going to curve down and go across, and then we're just going to connect this towards the right side, going up. Let's add the edge of the door. Starting from the top, we're going to angle down and out towards the right, and then we'll come straight down. Now up at the top, we're going to add a circle. Let's add some slits along the front of the car. Starting at the top, we're going to angle down and in. We're going to round at the top and then the bottom, and then we'll connect it with a straight line. We're going to fill that area in black. Now draw another one. We'll draw a shorter line along the front, round out the top and bottom, and then we'll draw a straight line and we'll fill that in black. We're going to do one more. We're going to go a little bit smaller this time. Rounding up the top and bottom, connecting that and filling that in. Let's add a little detail on the top of the hood. Draw 2 straight lines going up on left and right. We're going to connect it with a straight line. Now back on the left, we're going to leave a gap. Draw a series of straight lines going all the way across. Let's add a large rectangle along the front. Start with a straight line going across. Come down with 2 short lines, and then we'll close off the bottom. On the right side, we're going to step in, draw a straight line coming down. We'll fill this area in black. We're going to step over, draw a straight line coming down towards this angled line, go across towards the right, and then we go straight up. Now let's add some detail in this area. Starting over on the left side, we're going to draw a C. Now from the top of the C, we're going to angle up and out towards the right, go to the bottom, and do the same thing. Now we're going to go straight across towards the back, and then we'll connect the top and bottom with a backward C. Now we're going to draw a circle in behind the end, stepping over, circle around, and then back up. Now we're going to move down, draw another smaller C. From the top we'll go across, and we're going to go up in an angle. Go to the bottom, we're just going to follow those 2 lines, going across, and then up, close off the end with a curve. Let's add a small circle along the top. Now the last thing we're going to do is add the bat symbol on the hubcaps. Let's start with the front. We'll start at the very top with a V. And then from the top of the V, we're going to come straight down on either side. From the bottoms, we're going to curve out and up. Let's round up the side of the wing, curving around and then in. Now from the left side, we're going to curve up and then pull that down in the middle. And we'll do the same thing on the right side. Let's fill the outside of the bat in black. Now we're going to do the same thing on the rear tire. Starting at the very top in the center, we start with a V, and then we'll come down the sides. Now from the bottoms, we're going to curve out and then up towards the top of the wings. Let's round out the side, curving around and then down. Now from the ends, we're going to curve up and then down in the middle. And then we're going to go in and fill the outside of the bat in black. Now one last thing I want to do is darken up the windshield, but we're going to add a glare along the front. So we're going to step over, draw that same angle line coming down from top to bottom. We're going to fill the inside area in black. We'll finish off this last little bit. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's the Batmobile. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.